Alright guys, part 2, sealing Old Salem and everything. So, show y'all what's going on and everything else.
And the saga continues. So we're about to head out to go see the bakery and then some other sites. Right now they're playing in the water well. Check them out. Check them out.
You have to drink it.
Oh no, I gotta wash my face. Since I've been sweating, okay?
You don't have to.
All right, y'all, we're heading to, where we going, Belinda?
We're going to the, am I on the, so we're going to the Pottery House, the gift shop at Old Salem. About to spend these coins.
Yes. We're here with the munchkins. Go ahead, Mama.
Cheese.
That's right, girl. Yes. Ooh, she plays no games. Purchasing stuff in her. But she is glass everywhere, my friend. What's that?
I'll take a picture of it too. I'll take a picture of Jim's.
No, she can only be the one taking the picture.
Oh, she wants. Oh, she wants camera time. That baby say yeehaw. Hey, babe.
What's going on here? How y'all doing? Just out here browsing around. That's all we doing. Checking everything out. That's what we do. Having fun.
My friend said yeehaw.
I don't want to put it. Look, take a picture of me. Yeehaw!
Girl, I got a lot of footage of this one.
Yeehaw! I'm a cowgirl. Yeehaw!
Once I get it wrong, I'm going to go for a little bit.
Hey, come on in. Hey there. Hey, come on in. Welcome to the Single Brothers house.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And ain't that many single brothers, he said.
This is for all the unmarried men and women.
Oh, she said, well, all unmarried people.
He's gonna bring some dough for us. And do you know what this is? Yeah, do you know the difference between these two? No. This one, if you get good, idea is you can use one hand instead of two.
That's a roller.
They're both rollers.
Yeah.
So you're gonna roll this around in that flour and you're gonna do the same.
We'll check out.
Yeah, come on in. Come on up here. You can get down here and film looking up. You can get pretty close and look at the ceiling of it. It'll give you an idea why it's called a beehive oven. The shape of it and the way it looks. Just put your hand on the hearth and kind of keep that distance. You're safe. Cookies.
Why don't we put yours like right about here?
I just throw the wood right in. Yeah. And I'm almost to the temperature I
You can
need.
use the old-fashioned one too. Just be careful. You don't roll backwards. It's a heavy one, right?
And then we take
Just
this
down.
down.
Let me move you
And
over.
they make stacks like that. And usually a stack like that, 2 layers.
I can do it. Mama, I can.
Yeah, that's back when they were really doing production. And you can imagine, but of course, one thing to understand is it's time sensitive. Because the temperature's always getting less. Something like this would have been extremely busy.
Is this gonna? We're in the bakery,
Right.
checking out how they make cookies.
Right.
Oh, they got spicy cheese stars. Oh, let me work on my focusing. Right? Oof. Yeah, so we're out here checking out the bakery at Old Salem. It's a little smoky, as you can see.
That tells us as it moves to the
Let's still
And if you put your hand here, you start to see that this is even warm. Think your heart at the moment.
I'll see my cookie.
So the closer you get, the hotter it is. So the closer you get in there, the hotter it is, which allows us to judge the temperature.
No.
Yes, slow.
That's right. Last week we did bread.
Lexington told me had the best barbecue. I've had a number of people tell me their towns have the best barbecue. From different. Really? I mean, I'll be honest, I didn't know there was like the.
Can you see the name? Hold on, sweetie. And they're kind of thin. You taste it? How it tastes? They're good. They do. It tastes pretty good. Like crispy chips, but crispy thin cookies. Want some, babe? And we got it from the bakery.
Yeah.
And then we also got some Cinnabon for babe.
How do you say that?
Alright. So, at this point, I'm going to say this is the end of part 2. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.